Ready to sell those unique, on-off items without the hassle of subscriptions? Let's jump into creating one-time products in Stripe. First, log into your Stripe dashboard. Then on the left navigation bar, click on Products to manage all your product offerings. Here, you'll see all your existing products. To create a new one, simply click the Add Product button in the upper right corner. A new form will appear where you can now enter your product's information. First, give your product a descriptive name. This will be visible to your customers. Then, add a detailed description. The more the better. Scroll down to pricing options. Make sure you select one-time price to ensure customers only pay once and no recurring billing is applied. Now, enter the price for your product and choose the appropriate currency from the drop-down menu. To make your product more appealing, upload high-quality images in the Images section. This can greatly improve sales. Explore the optional settings, like inventory for limited edition items or shipping, if you need to collect addresses and calculate shipping costs. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, click the Save Product button at the bottom of the page. Congratulations, your one-time product is now created in Stripe. You can now integrate it into your website or payment links and start selling.